Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start now, choose a 1 or 2L bottle and remove the label. Cut the top off about 2/3 down to form the body. Once done, score a beak and wing outlines with a marker so cuts are precise. You need a stable base, so flatten the bottom inward slightly. This prevents tipping. Make sure to keep a scrap piece for the feet template. Immediately separate tools within reach and move to the cutting stage. You now shape details. Cut wings free but keep their upper edge attached to the body so they fold naturally. Once cut, sand edges with coarse sandpaper. This prevents cracks and gives clean lines. Then heat shape the beak and belly curve using warm water, dip briefly and press into form. Paint the inside black first to create depth, and paint the white belly last. This sequencing hides brush strokes and makes you finish by attaching feet and eyes. Use hot glue for strong bonds, and reinforce seams from inside with clear glue or thin epoxy. Once set, add painted details and accessories like a felt scarf. Then seal the whole piece with a clear coat to protect paint. If paint chips or cracks appear, stop and clamp the area, fill gaps with clear glue or fabric tape, then sand and repaint. This fixes structure and restores the finish quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.